Hey everyone, sorry for my voice, and I have a cold. I don't know if I have corona or whatever. I can't find anywhere to get tested. I wanted to still do my makeup for New Year's. I've been seeing people do looks and they look beautiful, but I gotta jazz it up a little bit. And even though I'm sick, I still want to wear makeup, and maybe it'll make me feel better. So let's get started. So I think I'm gonna go for a green, maybe purple, like super sparkly eye. We'll see how this goes. I'm gonna be using a bunch of different palettes, so this is so use whatever you guys have. All right, so let's start off with, maybe we should do green and then purple in the crease and then a shimmer. Maybe a mixture of both for my lower lash line. I think I'm gonna go with Bonnie from my Lunar Beauty Moonspell Volume 1 palette. It's just like a lime green. I'm not gonna take it too high, at least not yet. We'll see what happens, you know? This is the second time in a row that I've been sick for New Year's, so it's a tradition for me. I just said I wasn't gonna take it up too high, but you have hooded lids sometimes, you know? And then let's do purple in the crease. It's gonna be really, let's do Sabrina. It's like this bright purple. You gotta brighten it up. It's pretty, but it's kind of like a brown, obviously, because I mixed it with green. Maybe we'll use Sadie from the e.l.f. palette with J Kissa. Still kind of want to brighten it up. Let's use another palette. Let's use my unicorn one. That one has purples. All right, let's use Dagger. Maybe we'll use Paradise as our green too from this palette on the outer. There we go. Whoa. And like I told you guys, I was gonna bring it all the way up by accident. It's gonna come together. I think this is one of those looks that like doesn't look good until the end. All right, let's blend out the edges again. I want to put like I don't know, this palette is really good. So let's do Sweet Pea. Ooh, it's a little powdery. I've been like going in on these. Can you say grungy? Corner. I'm making like a purple, like a dark purple. Do Pretty Girl from this e.l.f. palette again. Does that look like purple? I guess it's like an eggplant, right? Like, buffing out with Sadie, by the way. I know I said I wasn't gonna do purple. Sorry, I've been like this. I just wanted to do purple too. More of that green. Definitely very grungy look. And Sweet Pea above the purple a little bit, just to like kind of, yeah, I don't know what this look is. Mixed glitter glue, of course. Has anyone ever run out of this before, by the way? Or you just buy a new one when it gets old? What's the expiration on this? 6 months. Come on. You guys know I'm gonna use a Davina shade. You guys already knew. Because these are the sparkliest of sparkliest. And I do like my Sydney Grace ones too. So I really like this shade. I used this one yesterday. So I think I'm gonna use a combination of like a purple, and then let's do this one. So this is Lucent Ray. I think these are way better using your finger, by the way. Especially the Moonscape ones. That's just my opinion. And I always use a glitter glue. You probably are going to get some fallout. And be careful when you're swirling, like tapping. It is. But like, look at that. And I tap. Like liquid metal, seriously. Oh my god, we're gonna have to blend that out. So I would recommend, this is just me, unless you're gonna put like a bunch of powder under your eyes, I guess, and then you could sweep it off. But I always do my eyes first. I think I'm gonna do, what are you called? Sour Spanks. I have a whole video on these, by the way, my channel. Alright, brows are on. So now let's get finished with the lower lash line. I'm going to do the LA Girl Shockwave Metallic Eyeliner in the shade Dragon. The lower lash line. Oh my god. This looks crazy. I guess like a mixture of purple and green on the bottom. Let's do purple on the outside and green on the inside. And then like I'm going to do like a shimmer here and then obviously a shimmer there. Okay. So we're going to do Sabrina from the Mani palette. Just to like connect purples. Like 3/4 of the way in. And then let's do our green. I'm going to do a Sweet Pea and then Paradise maybe a little bit. And then mix them together in the middle. Alright, I'm going to do Paradise. And then I think we're going to do a shimmer down there. So I'm going to spray my brush. Let's just do what we have right here. The Sour Spank shade. Okay, so dip. The inner corner. The hell, let's spray this. We are gonna do, I think, my favorite, the Bubba Fizz. That just like complements everything. By Davina, of course. Alright, finally, mascara time. Jane Iredale Beyond Lash Volumizing Mascara. I started off outer lash first, and then like wiggle all the way to the end. You don't like a lot of volume, this is probably not for you, but I do. It's just with one coat so far. It doesn't flake or smudge or anything, by the way. Worn this all day, twice. So that's just one coat. Okay, we're gonna finish with lips. This is probably not gonna stay on. And I don't think any of my lip liners are vegan. I'm trying to use up my lip liners. So let's use the NYX Ever pencil. Let's do Just a Color Stone. I'm not accidentally overlined by, and you know, gotta go with it. Gotta go with it. This is the after. I tried to blow dry my hair and do like a blowout, but you know, I guess it looks fine. So, Happy New Year, everybody. While I'm gonna be here with my children on the couch, relaxing and watching Encanto. Bye guys, have fun, be safe, and I will see you next year.